I was craving the Starbucks iced lemon loaf cake, but I didn't want to go to Starbucks because Starbucks is pretty far from my house. And let's just face it, Starbucks prices have gone up the roof, out the roof, whatever. Anyways, they're just expensive. So I decided to recreate this recipe and, share my own version of it. First off, you want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You want to grease your 9x5 pan and then set that aside. To a large bowl, add in your flour, your baking powder, and your salt. Combine it, set that aside. To a clean bowl, add in your eggs, your sugar, and your sour cream. Whisk until combined, and then add in your flavorless oil. Slowly whisk it until everything is incorporated. Zest your lemons. That was about 2 lemons for me, but it all varies. And then add in your lemon extract. I actually found some lemon paste and I decided to use the lemon paste instead of the extract, but I wish I would have just used the extract because I feel like there's more flavor in that instead of the paste. But the paste, it's just something different that I saw at the store, so that's what I was using. Once everything is combined, you want to slowly add in your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. I did this in like 2 batches just because I didn't want to add everything in at once. And once everything is completely combined, you want to add it to your prepared loaf pan and bake it for around, I would say 50 to 60 minutes. Just be careful because you don't want it to overcook in the oven. Once you pull it out of the oven, allow it to fully cool completely. So allow it to rest in the pan for around 10 minutes and then pull it out of the pan and allow it to fully and completely cool before you frost it. I believe Starbucks says that they use icing, but who can really trust Starbucks? I think they actually use frosting. So we're going to be making frosting. So you want to add your room temperature salted butter, super crucial that it's salted. Add in your powdered sugar, your lemon juice, and your lemon extract, and just combine it. Mix it with a fork, and then use a hand mixer until everything is combined. So now you want your frosting to be spreadable. Some people might like it a little bit more watery. If you like it more watery, add some more lemon. If you want it stiffer, add in some more powdered sugar. So this is where all the flavor is. It's in the frosting, so make sure you do not skip out on it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's super fun to recreate Starbucks stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.